Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Facebook Ads Manager for affiliate campaigns, full guide step by step clearly. To connect with Facebook Ads Manager for your affiliate campaigns, start by logging into your Facebook account. Once logged in, navigate to the Facebook Business Suite. From the Business Suite, locate that Ads section and select Ads Manager. If you don't have an Ads Manager account, after creating your Ads Manager account, ensure you have admin access to your affiliate product links. Next, click on the Create button within Ads Manager to start a new campaign. Choose your marketing objective based on your affiliate goals, such as traffic or conversions. Give your campaign a descriptive name that reflects. Set your budget and schedule according to your financial plan and campaign duration. Proceed to that Ad Set section where you will define your target audience. Customize your audience by selecting demographics, interests, and behaviors that align with your affiliate products. Next, choose your placement options, either automatic or manual placements, based on your target audience's habits. Once your audience is set, navigate to the Ad section to create your advertisement. Select the format of your ad, such as a single image, carousel, or video, depending on your content. Upload high-quality images or videos that promote your affiliate offers creatively and engagingly. Craft compelling ad copy that highlights the value and benefits of your affiliate product. Include a strong call to action that encourages users to click through to your affiliate link. Make sure to add your affiliate link directly within the ad creation process. Preview your ad to ensure everything looks good and functions properly. Once satisfied with your ad, click on the Publish button to launch your campaign. Monitor your ad performance regularly by checking the analytics in Ads Manager. Adjust your targeting, budget, or creative elements as needed based on performance data. By following these steps, you will effectively connect with Facebook Ads Manager for your affiliate campaigns. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.